going on YouTube? How is everybody doing out there? I hope everybody's doing well. It's your boy Diaz Dan. You know, I'm back with a video for you guys. Got the Air Jordan 3 White Cement 1988 dunk contest. We're about to get into this detail review and the on feet. Y'all know how I do. But yeah, man, big shout outs to my brother, man. Holy Sneaks always coming through, man. All Holy Sneaks information will be in the description. Go give my brother a follow on IG. And he always got kicks, you know what I'm saying? Always coming through for me. Good luck to everybody out there, man. Hope everybody gets them. But yeah, starting off, I was gonna unbox them, but I had to just check them out for real. I got a bad habit of doing that. Take a look at the box, man. Comes in your typical Jordan 3 box, nothing special. Right, let me take the other one out, and that's about it. That it comes in a box, no card, no nothing. The shoe quality is really, really nice. Like, this is some soft ass leather. And of course you can see it's very, very tumbled. Look at that. Massive tumbled all over, and quality is very nice, I must say, man. Really, really nice quality. Alright, y'all know how I do, man. We're going to flip the camera around so I could give you guys a better look at the shoe. And at the end of the video, of course, y'all will see the on feet, so you guys can get a better look. And yeah, let's switch the camera around. Let's go. Start off with this one right here. As you can see, they did hit us with the hand tag, the Nike Air hand tag. That's a nice touch right there. Take a look at that leather, guys. Look at the leather. The leather is, look at that. Wow. Just so soft all throughout the whole upper. You got your cement print right here in the back, as you can see. Midsole does have the white on the midsole, following with your black right there. Air bubble unit is clear. Take a look. Do got the white laces. You got your perforated holes behind the laces on your tongue. Got your red Jumpman right there stitched in. Alright, let's take a look at the medial side of the shoe. Medial, same as the lateral. You got your black on the midsole with the white. Of course, you got your cement print in the front and in the back. And of course, you got your nice white leather upper. That behind the tongue, they gave us. Take a look. You got your 147 upside down. That's how the inside of the shoe is. Your bottom like that. Inside the shoe and the inner part of the shoe, which is dope in my opinion. And on the other one, they hit us just with the straight Nike Air branding. Black with your red inner sole. And of course, sock liner in white. Now we're going to get to the back of the shoe. We got the Nike Airs. Straight OGs in the back, man, looking really, really nice in my opinion. And what they did hit us with, they hit us with the 3:51 time back there. As you can see, that's the time that Michael Jordan did do the dunk. Take a look at those bottoms, man. As you can see, icy bottom with the Nike branding right there, and they gave us the stripe. That's when he touched the free throw line and just slammed. Man, really dope shoe in my opinion. Definitely happy to have these. Thank you guys for watching. Let's get into this on feet, man. Hope you guys enjoy. It's your boy Diaz Dan, and I'm gone.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.